All right, today I have a Peugeot, and I'm going to show you how to open the hood on this particular vehicle. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm sitting in the vehicle. What I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and open the door. Now, you need to open the door. Now, once you open the door, you look down and there is a lever right here. You see this lever? So I'm gonna take this lever and I'm going to pull it until you hear it's a pop a little bit, and so you heard that noise. And then once you have that, you're just gonna go ahead and walk around to the vehicle and walk around to the front of the vehicle. All right, so as I walk around to the front of the vehicle of this 3008, I'm gonna look down and you're gonna find a little switch right here. So right here, you put your hand under here, see where I'm located at. And so I'm gonna take my hand, find this lever and pull it up. It couldn't be hot, so be careful. And then once it's up, I'm gonna take the kickstand and then put it into place just like that. All right, you see that? And so that's how you open the hood on the Peugeot 3008. All right, I hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.